Good morning students. Here we will discuss about how do organisms reproduce. Reproduction is the process by which living organisms produce new individuals similar to themselves. It basically involves the making copies of blueprint of the body design. Reproduction ensures continuity of life on Earth. Chromosome in the cell contain the information for inheritance of features which are passed from generation to generation in form of DNA molecules. So reproduction involves copying of DNA and other cell apparatus. The copies will be similar to original and not identical. The property is variation, which is basis and necessary for evolution of living beings. Variation helps the species to withstand drastic environmental changes, thus save its species from becoming extinct and promotes its survival for the longer time. Types of reproduction: asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. A single parent is involved in asexual reproduction, whereas both the parents involved in sexual reproduction. Gametes are not formed in asexual reproduction, whereas the gametes are formed in sexual reproduction. Third number, progeny is identical to parent and progeny is only genetically similar to the parent but not identical. What is asexual reproduction? Asexual reproduction is extremely useful as a mean of rapid multiplication. It is common in lower plants and in animal also. Mode of asexual reproduction. The mode depends on the body design of the organism. The first one is fission. The parent cell divides or splits into two daughter cells by binary fission. Splits into many cell multiple fission. Binary fission. The parent cell divides into two equal halves or daughter cells. In case of multiple fission, the parent cell divides into many daughter cells simultaneously. For example, Plasmodium. Plasmodium, you know very well, it is the causal organism of malaria. Disease malaria is caused by Plasmodium. In case of binary fission, the parent cell divides into two equal halves. Equal halves means two daughter cells. For example, amoeba follows transverse binary fission, that is fission in any plane. Leishmania has a whip-like structure at one end and binary fission occurs in a definite orientation. Students, see the structure here. Binary fission shows in amoeba. Amoeba having middle binary fission case, nucleus lengthness, it is invaginate longitudinally, cytoplasm divides, after that nucleus also divides. The two processes are included. First one is cytokinesis, where the cytoplasm is divides and after division of cytoplasm, nucleus also divides. So the result is two dotted nuclei. The process where nucleus length is nucleokinesis, as where the cytoplasm lengthness is cytokinesis.